Cindy with Bags and Lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching this video. Welcome or welcome back. Either way, I'm glad you are here. So, quick video. This is the impromptu recording because, as you can see from the title, it's 2 items from Target. And you all know who love Target. When you see something, you basically need to get it then, because once it's gone from Target, it's gone. So, and I actually had to get these puppies online. So let me just quickly give you a spiel. So I bought 2 pair of shoes from Target that I wanted to share with you. So quick spiel here is going to be, let me get the rubber band off so we can go ahead and get to it. All right, so these came in the mail yesterday because they did not have my size in the store. So already they're leaving, but they're still available online from my knowledge, and then they may be at your local Target, so check it out and see. But I decided to get these shoes because I was seriously considering 2 pair of the Sam Edelman, and I'll throw up the two kinds that I wanted. So, you know, this big dad sandal trend, comfy raised footbed type of sandal trend has been in for a little while now, and I consider getting 2 pair, like I said, from Sam Edelman. 1 pair I think was around like $125, and then the other pair was $150. And I thought, I don't think I really want to spend that much money on a pair of these shoes. So happened to be perusing Target and saw this option. So let me open up the one I saw first. So saw this pair first, which are by A New Day. So let me show these to you, which look, anything with rhinestones, sparkles on it, it is 100% calling my name, and it is for me. So it's these pair from A New Day, which I thought are really cute. They got the girly pattern on them, but then they also have the raffia print. So I thought these were a really cute option to go with, and they have the raised footbed like you can see here. So these I got in my true size. So that started the whole thing. And then I saw this other pair, and I thought, okay, these are not exactly the same, but give me the same vibe, I feel, same kind of goal I was going for with the Sam Edelman shoes between the 2 of them. So the other pair is by Universal Thread. So this size, actually, this pair, I read the reviews, and they did say that they were running about a half size small. So I did order up and got a size 8 when I'm normally a true 7.5. 95% of the time, I'm a 7.5. So these are the other pair that I got, which are here. Got that kind of puffy cross pattern. I'll turn it to the side here so you can kind of see the raised footbed. And then let's give you this little profile from here. So I thought these fit the bill. They have this beautiful little knot on them, and you know, are comfy, cozy vibes. And I went for black because I feel like black was easier to pair with. And then the raffia type rhinestone embellished type of shoe will be just more so for other outfits. But the combination of both of these, I believe I had like a $10 off. Either there was some type of sale going on with Target through either Target Circle or something like that, and both of them came up with shipping, okay, which I believe was free. But both of those came up to a total of $48. So less than $50, which is not even half the cost of one of the Sam Edelman shoes that I wanted to purchase. But like I said, I'll throw up photos so you can see the Sam Edelmans, and then you also see the ones that I'm but the ones that I purchased. Let me know what you think. Let me know how close you think I got, or whether, you know, I accomplished the vibe. And also, do you see these in your Target? Let me know if you're going to run out and get some. That's the whole reason I wanted to share this video, is to get this out really quick and share the word, so that way you guys can run out there and get you some Target shoes too, to remain on trend and be comfortable and save some cash. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. I will talk to you again soon. Bye.